What if I told you that the world's most advanced humanoid robotics companies, the ones building the future of AI and automation, are all private, meaning regular investors can't access them? Until now. Welcome to XMAQUINA, the first DAO democratizing access to the humanoid robotics revolution. I'm Zimmy, and today I'll break down what XMAQUINA is and show you the incredible robotics companies in their investment portfolio. XMAQUINA is a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, focused on physical AI and humanoid robotics. Think of it as a community-owned investment fund, but instead of Wall Street managing your money, it's governed by token holders like you and me. Here's how it works. The DAO raises capital through Genesis auctions, where participants swap tokens like USDC for DEUS, the native governance token. This builds a treasury that invests in pre-IPO robotics companies, AI infrastructure, and decentralized robotics protocols. DEUS holders get voting power over which projects to fund, making this a truly democratic way to invest in the future of robotics. Now, let's dive into the portfolio. XMAQUINA has invested in 4 of the world's leading humanoid robotics companies. These are private companies valued in the billions, and XMAQUINA is one of the only ways for everyday people to get exposure to them. First up, Neura Robotics from Germany. In June 2025, they unveiled 4NE1, a 5'9" humanoid robot designed for both industrial and home use. What makes Neura special? Their proprietary Aura AI and sensor skin technology. This robot can assemble delicate electronics, climb stairs, and even detect human emotions for natural interaction. They also pioneered Myra, the world's first cognitive collaborative robot, back in 2021. In January 2025, Neura raised 120 million euros and secured a $1 billion order book. They're partnered with NVIDIA and targeting commercial deployment in 2026. Why it matters? Neura is Europe's leader in cognitive robotics, bridging the gap between industrial automation and everyday assistance. Next, 1X Technologies, originally founded in Norway as Humanoid Robotics. They rebranded in 2022 to focus on humanoid robots for the home. Their flagship robot, Neo, is designed for everyday tasks, vacuuming, tidying clothes, and assisting the elderly. In 2024, 1X raised $200 million at an $850 million valuation, backed by OpenAI, NVIDIA, SoftBank, and Jeff Bezos. In 2025, they announced plans to deploy Neo Gamma in hundreds of homes, making this one of the first real-world consumer humanoid deployments. Why it matters? 1X is bringing robots into our homes, not just factories, solving real problems for aging populations and labor shortages. Third, Figure AI, founded in 2022 by Brett Adcock. They're tackling labor shortages in manufacturing and logistics. Figure 02, unveiled in August 2024, features 16 degrees of freedom per hand and a 5-hour battery. It's already deployed at BMW's South Carolina plant for automotive assembly. In March 2025, Figure raised $1.5 billion at a $39.5 billion valuation. Yes, billion with a B. They also launched BotQ, a facility designed to produce 12,000 robots per year, scaling to 100,000. Figure 03 is now officially walking and nearing public unveiling. Why matters? Figure is scaling humanoid production faster than anyone, with backing from Microsoft, NVIDIA, and OpenAI. Finally, Apptronik and their robot Apollo. Standing 5'8" and weighing 160 pounds, Apollo can lift 55 pounds and run for 4 hours on a hot swappable battery. Apptronik built Apollo with NASA collaboration, leveraging experience from NASA's Valkyrie robot. Apollo is modular, meaning it can be configured for logistics, manufacturing, construction, or even space missions. In April 2025, Apptronik raised over $400 million from Google, Mercedes-Benz, and others. They're partnered with NVIDIA's Project GROOT to enhance AI learning. Why it matters? Apptronik combines NASA-grade engineering with commercial scalability, robots built for Earth and space. So, there you have it. Neura, 1X, Figure, and Apptronik. 4 of the world's most advanced humanoid robotics companies, all in XMAQUINA's portfolio. Remember, these are private companies. You can't buy their stock on Robinhood. But through XMAQUINA DAO, you can gain exposure to the entire humanoid robotics ecosystem. If you want to learn more, visit XMAQUINA.io or join their Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of robotics.